This is the Merrill PKA1F repair kit for the HI-Cap Anyflow hydrants, which is the 1-inch rebuild kit. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. So in the rebuild kit, it should include the packing nut, the 2 link plates or draw straps, these 2 hex nuts here, the pivot connector, the packing, this rubber O-ring, and the plunger assembly. So we'll go ahead and start and take a couple measurements of each piece in the kit. We'll start with the packing nut here. And with the packing nut, it does have that hexed head there, and then down to those male threads. So we'll start with a total length and then get an outer diameter. The total length, it measures right at about just above 3/4 of an inch. And then an outer diameter of that hex side, measuring just above 3/4 of an inch as well. And we can get a total length of the link plates, which should measure right at the same length. We get a total length here, and you can see that measures just above 3 inches, so right at about 3 1/8 maybe. And we can also get a width, and that'll measure just shy of 1 1/4 inches. We can measure the plunger assembly. We'll start with a total length, and that'll measure from the head of that screw there to the end of the plunger there. It'll measure right at about 3 inches. And then we can also get an outer diameter of both ends as well. So on this end with those female threads, the outer diameter will measure right at about 1/2 inch. And then on this end with that screw, measuring just shy of 1 inch. And lastly, we'll measure that pivot connector. We'll start with a total length, and that'll be just above 1 inch. And the inside diameter here at that hole that goes through, we'll measure just shy of 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Merrill PKA1F repair kit.